Alright, so it's a Saturday and we're gonna film a video for Spencer's channel. He's over there. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Spencer. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, so he does feature films on different BMWs, usually M3s, but since
Today's an exception.
Since I am a good friend, an employee, a business partner,
team member.
how do you say, team member, all of those things, he's gonna make an exception. Oh, I can't even speak. Yeah, he's gonna make an exception and feature my 335. So it should be a good video. The car is basically sold. Someone put a deposit down for it. So we're pretty much just gonna get some cool shots, some sound clips, and he'll definitely make a feature film on my next car.
Oh, I will?
It's not an E92, but
okay.
Yeah. You said you wanted to.
I'm down. I'm super down.
Alright, so we just got to this spot. We just filmed the interview section of Spencer's feature film. So definitely check that out. I'll put his name right here. You guys probably all know who he is. But, ooh, nice Porsche. Porsche.
That's a Porsche.
But yeah, after this we're gonna do some driving clips, flybys, stuff like that. Wow. So we're over in Irvine, which is where our office is. It's a beautiful day, man. Look at this place. It's pretty much dead because it's a Saturday, and no one's even really working right now. So we found this cool little parking garage, nice windows. But yeah, it's also like 85 degrees right now. It's pretty hot.
Turbo noises though. Sounds so good.
We don't need traction, huh? You want me to drop you off up here?
Yeah. Yo! It's got some torque to it. That car looks so good.
Hey.
Over one lane.
That was crazy. Oh! Damn. Alright, so we just stopped by Ferrari of Newport Beach. Spencer spotted this British Racing Green Ferrari 488 Pista with yellow stripes, and this thing is beautiful. These brake calipers are massive, and like the rears are the exact same size as the fronts, which is like, you never really see that. Oh, SVJ. I just got a glimpse of it. Yeah, there's tons of good cars out right now because it's so hot. But this thing is beautiful, man. A little twin Turbsky V8 engine. Stunning. We were just driving and we found this 600 LT. I don't know if you can see it, but it's way up there. It's the 600 LT Spider. Super clean. I don't know if we're gonna go film with it or something, but the guy told us to follow him. Spencer just got this brand new exhaust from Valvetronic. It is their V2 full system. It's pretty insane. So full axle back to X pipe and then test pipes, which
have cats in there too.
Oh yeah,
These are catted. It's high flow cats.
okay, so high flow cats, and then the test pipes are what attach to the headers. You're just missing headers, man.
It's the next thing to get. Dual resonated, dual high flow cats with a Valvetronic system with a muffler to be either super loud or super quiet.
Yep, this is gonna sound really good. And right now, what do you have on your car?
Right now
the
I
exhaust.
have Valvetronic V1, which is just their like prototype that they made I think over a year ago, and it is only from the axle back. So everything else is
okay.
stock. So
Yeah.
this will be much louder for sure.
Oh yeah, definitely. Super clean. I considered getting something from Valvetronic on my 335i, but they don't have like full systems like this. It was just a kind of muffler bypass. But this is super clean. If I had an M3, I would definitely go this route.
Route.
I don't know. Have I been saying it wrong the whole time?
I don't know how you say route. Is it route?
Route, Scout, Boot.
Same thing.
Or you start like a Lamborghini.
Yeah, so it opens and closes that way.
That's cool.
It's the newest remote. That's cool.
And then I'm assuming that's like the computer that controls the valves.
Yep, the module opens and closes it. Has the little antenna on it, so it has the receiver right here.
Nice.
Mount that in your trunk, and then you can open and close the valves whenever you want or whenever you see a cop.
Super cool. Last time I filmed for this video was when Spencer and I did the feature film on my car. So I definitely haven't been updating you guys at all. But yeah, this vlog's just gonna be kind of a collection of random stuff from kind of like the past week or so. If you haven't checked out that feature film on Spencer's channel, it's at, what is that, like over 30,000 views or something?
33,000 views right now.
Yeah, that's crazy. So it's doing really well, and I've got a lot of support from it. So it's really cool. And another update is I just sold my car a couple days ago, so I have the cash now, and my next car will be coming in about 2 weeks, a little bit less than 2 weeks. So I'm really excited to announce that, and I actually might make a video on my experience of selling my car, because a lot of people have asked me, you know, how much do you sell it for? What was it like? Was it frustrating? And there was definitely aspects of it that were frustrating and hard to deal with, but it's finally gone and I can move on to my next car. So keep an eye out for that video because I'm planning on making that.